All right, what's going on? Back for another backtesting session. We're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. It is Saturday, so hopefully everyone has a good weekend, gets a good reset in before the markets open again, and hopefully we're blessed to have a good week. Blessed with a good week this week. So what I see right now is we're clearly trending bullish. We haven't taken out this high. Looks like we'll probably want to come take out this high. Yes, did take it out. Either way, still think we'll probably trend up towards these highs. Getting a slight retracement. Could want to come use this big old imbalance down here. This leverage. We've been just kind of accumulating this whole time. There's lots of accumulation. I'd like to take longs. We'll see what we get though. Judas swing. Alright, I can't even type. I don't know though, we are pretty close to this low. We could want to manipulate lower and come take out this low, to be honest. Wouldn't mind seeing something like that. Alright, we come out, sweep out these highs. Just kind of trending towards these highs or SMT. Ooh, I do like this. Kind of. We did leave behind equal highs on the 5 minute. No, I can't short this. Why was it 26 minutes? Ooh, I do like us going higher here. We're just not really delivering out of anywhere. But we do have equal highs above. We get strong momentum. Just not delivering at anything. To push us higher, we've got no sort of liquidity. We're still reacting off of this hourly. Just not doing much right now to push us. This is very strong momentum though on ES. Double bottoms though. Man, I don't know. This might play out. I don't want to take it though. Yeah. I want to see us come take out this low. Like even this I don't want to take. We're just not delivering from anywhere. No fives. Nah, this is just choppy price action. Finally, come take out these highs. Inside an hourly. So we finally manipulated. We'll probably end up distributing to the downside now. Unless we want to take it higher. This inversion actually looks real good. Targeting this unfilled 5-minute. This 2-minute with a single candle. I like this. Stops above this high. Targeting this unfilled 5-minute. Close out the position, leave a runner for these lows. Wow. Probably should have gone break even right here, to be honest. I just would have just wanted to see us flush through this. Yeah, I mean, I could see us coming lower. 2-minute inversion. This chop, we're gonna get probably stopped out here. Wow. Man, I mean, I just saw this AMD, and I was like, we in versus 5. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I just kept getting manipulated. That's a tough loss. We also had news. Trump was speaking. Oh man, that's just a bad loss. Oh yeah, that's a bad loss. It's alright, move on. Look like we're trending towards these highs again. At least coming up to this high. Again, we're just kind of into a PMI. Open up a 15-minute. Deliver into the 15-minute off open. I'm on the 15-second. Still delivering out of this 15-minute. This is discretionary, but I do believe we're going to continue higher. Alright, I gotta get off. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Hold on. Let me relax. What am I doing? I'm taking some terrible trades right now. That was completely discretionary. I didn't follow any of my models. I mean, we manipulate into the 15-minute off open. We rebalance up higher. We sweep out this liquidity of all these equal highs. And then you get a move down. You get a move up. You get an inversion of this fair value gap. Delivering out of a 30. I mean, I should have seen all this trendline liquidity. I noticed it, but I didn't think we'd want to run these lows. Alright, I gotta lock in. New day opening gap. Very overextended. SMT to these lows. I mean, I'd like to see a retracement. To at least that type of range, right? Like, something like that. We are delivering out of this 15-minute. Also delivering out of this 5-minute range. Insane candle off open. Sweep out this high. Take out these relative equal. Take out these equal highs on ES. What the fuck? 160 point 2-minute candles off open. That's insane. We manipulate up into an hourly fair value gap. And then we do nothing. God dang it. What am I doing? Tap into a 15-minute. Inverse this 3-minute. Delivering off of a 15. Displacement higher. I do like this a lot. 1-minute CISD. Flush through that order block. Yeah, I like that. Could have even came and targeted these highs up here. Yeah, push through. That was a good move. I like that. Probably just continue displacing higher. Actually, we did inverse 5-minute as well as this 15-minute. Delivering out of this hourly. Did tap into EQ the range as well. We left these lows. Looks like we're trending higher. Might want to come up and fill this new week opening gap. Or new day opening gap, I mean. We did just sweep out this high inside this 4-hour. 1 hour is kind of ranging around. I would kind of prefer to take shorts out of this. This low seems kind of obvious. We are in discount though. I'd kind of like to take shorts out of this, so we'll see how price respects off of this BPR. Took out that low I wanted to see price take out. Now we're just dumping. Did sweep out liquidity. See how price reacts off of these. You could take longs here, but delivers through this BPR. Unfilled 15-minute. Clean inversion. 2-minute comes and takes out the high, taps into the unfilled 15-minute. Also inside of an hourly. I kind of do see us just kind of pushing higher. Yep, take out this high now. Swept out this high, kind of trending towards new week opening gap. It's already late in session, but you get a 5-minute retracement. Opened up a 15-minute, displaces into the 15-minute. We did leave equal highs. It is just late in session, but we did displace into a 15-minute. 5-minute is kind of ranging. We get a 1-minute inversion. We left equal highs above. They've already been swept on. Yes. You could just tape read this. I don't really. Then we come for those equal highs. So if you had your stop down here, 1-to-1 would have played out. Daily still just trending towards new week opening gap. Use this as a magnet for liquidity, or a magnet for price to pull higher. Could leave an unfilled 4-hour below. Honestly, it's a 4-hour BPR. Got an inversion of this hourly gap. Still displacing, reacting off of that on the 4-hour. Yeah, I kind of have a neutral bias here. Kind of just depends on what I see off open. But obviously we are delivering inside of this 4-hour gap still. Kind of got a neutral bias here. Should displace into this 4-hour BPR. We do. Or not yet. We are inside of this 15-minute. Alright, price taps into the 4-hour BPR. Get good displacement. See if we can range through this 3-minute. Nothing yet, just accumulating. Sweep lower into the 4-hour BPR. Take out this draw on liquidity. Do the sweep. On the 3-minute, looks like we are kind of rejecting off this BPR. I'd like to see it pull back higher at this point. Still reacting off this hourly gap. We do have this high inside of this 15-minute above. Delivering out of the BPR, 3-minute inversion. 4-minute has it closed. 4-minute closes. Stop loss is a bit tricky here, because I do want to put it below this candle. left equal highs as well. I'll take this for 1-to-1. I don't like this a lot. This chop just looks terrible. Nothing's happening. This just does not look good. Yeah, I'd be out by now, obviously. I mean, this just looks terrible. Probably just gonna get stopped out. I mean, wow. We didn't even deliver that much off open, so the fact that we just consolidated that much is kind of crazy. Probably would have gone break even right there. Just expecting us to flush. That's tough. Did eventually reject off that BPR. I mean, I'd just like to see it move higher towards this new week opening gap. But like, obviously this high seems obvious. Like to see us sweep out this low. We did, inside swept out that low inside that 5 minutes. Okay. This 2-minute close looks great. Manipulated off open. Judas swing. We're only 100 points away from new week opening gap. Kind of just been bullshitting around. Not really doing too much. Okay, what a terrible stop loss placement. Alright, I may need to take a mulligan on this. Bro. Bro. I'm taking a mulligan. That's insane. I mean, realistically, I'm putting my stop below the distribution leg. That was insane, bro. Okay, well, I did want to scale off there and hold to new week opening gap, but whatever. Would have saved me. We didn't want to come up to new week opening gap just yet. We are inside of it on ES though. We rejected off this 15-minute unfilled fair value gap. Just continue to push lower. Now we'll probably get a retracement to the upside. Delivered into a 15-minute. The week opening gap. Probably going to want to come fill it. Do have a giant volume imbalance down here. I mean, I'd like to have a bullish bias, but we'll just have to see if we reject off this new week opening gap. It already did get filled on ES. So we could make a push to the downside. And this low seems obvious, if so. We are delivering out of a 5 minutes. One minute's not going to be enough here. I mean, we did tap into discount the new week opening range. Swept out all these lows. But you're going to need some more confirmation here. Delivering off the 2 minute. One minute inversion. Looks like we'll probably want to fill this opening range. I like longs here out of this. At least to this unfilled 15. You also have this high inside of this 15 minute as well. We're just very high in premium, obviously. So continuations are kind of like not the greatest here, obviously, but can't really argue with the displacement. We are incredibly high in premium though, which is why I'm starting to second guess this. Yeah, I mean at this point, probably just $5 minute never broke structure either. At this point, go break even. Tap into this 15-minute unfilled. Alright, this point, scale out. And leave a runner. Looks like we're going to get stopped out here at break even. Yeah, so this was good. This was solid. Just a 1-to-1 to this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap. Most likely would have been break even depending on your rules. So the daily time frame is rejecting off this new week opening range. 4 hour also rejecting. And we created another new week opening range. Do a PMI as well. ES swept out this low. SMT at that low. Bullish SMT kind of did its job. So could see us pushing lower. Taking out this low now. But we are just kind of delivering off that hourly fair value gap, as well as this 15 minutes. Not really a clear direction of where price wants to go. Sweep of this high off open. These are protected lows, so I don't really want to target them, but like the displacement here to the downside is pretty solid. And we have no unfilled 5-minute. Seems like we just might want to come for this low. probably go break even to this internal high. I mean internal low, sorry. So break even depending on your rules, but I like that. Now what is PMI gonna do? PMI came out. We already are at data lows. Already swept them. Delivery out of a 5-minute. Get an inversion. Still delivering out of this 1 hour. Unfilled 1 hour below. Swept out this high. It's at this 2-minute. You get a 1-minute change state of delivery. I mean, this also looks very good. But price is still inside of this hourly with 4 minutes left, so now you can see that we inversed hourly. And full TP would have gotten hit. So that was nice as well, delivering from a 3-minute. Swept out high inside of a 2-minute, rejected off of it, 1-minute inversion, 1-minute change state of delivery. The week opening gap's been filled. Yeah, I'd like to see these equal lows come get hit inside of this 15-minute. Use this as a magnet for shorts. Delivering out of an hourly. False move off open. Maybe it wasn't false. Maybe we're just trending to the skies. Maybe I was just wrong. I mean, we've already moved 100 fucking points. It's insane. We're already so high in premium. There's just no reason to take anything out of this. Like, this doesn't make sense. Drawing liquidity was just wrong for the day. Drawing liquidity was just wrong for the day. Now we deliver. We're still delivering out of this 4-hour. Still like this low being hit. Do have all these relative equal highs. ES never came and swept out this high. Price has been trending bullish. I do like this high being a target and these relative equal highs as well, but I know that these 15-minute equal lows are going to come get tapped at some point. Do a PMI. I mean, I'd like to take shorts out of this. Data and equal lows below. They're just going to sweep of that high. I just want to continue pushing up. Wow. That displacement is insane. Delivering out of this 15-minute. Probably just going to come run all these lows. Like all this trendline liquidity makes me think that we just want to push way lower. We do have data lows. We also have 5-minute equal lows. 15-minute fair value gap. There's just a lot of stuff to the downside that I think that we want to come take out. And we're SMC'd at this high. Chop is not looking good. Man, that's really tough. I really don't know. I mean, we have data lows below, all this momentum. We're SMC'd at this high, delivering off of 15-minute fair value gap. I really don't know why this failed. Just the amount of chop that we got. I mean, I guess this was data high. I didn't see that there was PMI. We're just stuck inside this range. Like, look at this price action. Like, there's just not. They're just stuck in this range. Excuse me. December to January, like, I don't even know. Can't even blame it on price action. I'm kind of just taking bad trades every. Those guys who show you their 100% win rate on backtesting, I'm really stopped. I don't know if I believe it. I mean, I've been trading for a while and do well in the live markets, and these guys, there's no way they're not looking at price action beforehand and understanding where the market wants to move. Like, you just have no sense. I mean, you can identify your draws and liquidity, yes, but you're not living out the days leading up to what's good. Like, you don't. It's hard to explain. I don't know. Maybe I'm just fucking terrible at trading. We'll see. Delivering off this hourly, inverse this hourly. This low looks obvious. Just see what price wants to do off open. Manipulate, sweeps out this low. These relative equal highs. Still respecting this gap. And now we break through. Delivering to 5 minute. The RSMT at that high. Still delivering out of the 5 minute. See if we inverse this 5 minute. Nope, still respecting it. Like, there's just no entry right there. Like, you know, you can't take this. What, you can have your stop all the way down here at these lows? You know, like, it just doesn't play out right there. So, I mean, I knew that we wanted to come up and take out this high, but just made no sense to. Now we inverse all these. Tap into the 5 minutes. What the bro? That's insane. There's not even anything you can take right there. I'd like to see data get taken out. Nice. 0 entries. That's dope. Alright. Still do have data as well down here. Swept out this high. Probably just gonna leave data lows behind. Deliver into this 5-minute. Oh my gosh. 0 entries. Like, bro. Honestly, might need to stop backtesting for a while. I know my strategy works. I know what my strategy is, and backtesting kind of just throws off my confidence. So maybe it's time to give it a break for a little while. We're inside of this hourly fair value yet. Clearly trending higher still. Well, now I can't take any longs. Should be no reason to come up higher with all these lows below. Use that as a reason for price to go lower. Clean 30-second. I know that we want to come down and take out these equal lows. This 30-second looks really nice. Let's go quick break even here. God, I cannot even. I don't even. Backtesting is taking all of my confidence away, which is not good. Bro. Like we're gonna want to come down for these equal lows. I need to not be so set though on like